the bearing is not good, so I'm gonna change this one. So right here, you just open the tire, and there's a 2 screw here, and you're gonna open this clipper, 2 bolts here, and 4 more bolts here, and sensor here, and then brake. Stop. Here's the 2 screw. There's one right here and one right there, so you can see it right here. So 2 screw. Open this clipper, then there's 4 more here, I'll show you later, and then 1 screw here, and open this one. Make sure you open this one, and after that you can open this one, 1 and 2. Okay, after you open this 2 screw, you can move this in any way, just like that, or you can bring a screwdriver. Make sure. Okay, you see that? Okay, now you can move it. Okay, so it's gone. Now I have to open these 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, after you open this 4 screw, you see it right here, and then I have the old one right here, so I'm just gonna put this one in. Let me get, I have another one, this is not good too, since I have a new one, so I'm gonna change this too. Just give me a minute. Hi guys, as you see I got this one. This is new, so this is the old one. This is not good and making noisy, this one, so I gotta put, I have this one, so I'm gonna put this here, right here. A lot of people they say it's a 6 screws, so there's 2 more here, but that's not true. It's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't open the other top here. Don't open these 2. They have to, this have to do nothing with it. You just leave this, you know, and you can use only 4 instead of 4 instead of 6. Okay, after you tie this 4 bolts, and then it should be tied. Just give me a minute, let me just tie this one. Make sure you use this one, some pipe, because it's gonna 3/4 inch, a little heavy, it's better. Okay, after I put the caliper, let me tie this 2 screw. One, and the next one right here. Make sure it's tight, and you can use a big wrench. You can use this one. Okay, you put the screw, the 2 screw right here. You should tie the screw. One, and the second one. Okay, let's tie. Now we're gonna tie the tires.